Good morning, everyone. Joseph Jaehnig here with Farmers Insurance, your local San Diego insurance representative. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go over homeowners insurance, insuring your home, and protecting your home in the event of an emergency. Now, what I have here, in case you guys can't see it, we got homeowners insurance. I'm going to talk about the dwelling. The dwelling amount is based off if your home were to burn down tomorrow, how much would it cost to cover? Now, if it costs $100,000 to replace, then that's basically how much it's going to cost to rebuild. So typically, look at your policy, and that's based off how much it would cost to rebuild. So if there was a new appraised value, then it's always good to check up on that, and advise your insurance representative or agent. So separate structures. This is anything additional of the house, which is a den, fence. Something that you built in the backyard that whether it's gets damaged due to a flood, fire, those are the certain amounts on there. Your personal property, and right here we have 75,000. That's basically anything that's in your house, TVs. We're gonna replace it at face value, 100% of the cost, as if it was brand new. And typically, all jewelry, anything, if you're ever on vacation, the good thing about this is it covers you for that. So if you lose your laptop and you're in Spain, Greece, it gets stolen, you pay your deductible, submit a claim, make sure that you call me, and that'll get replaced. Now, loss of use, typically if there is like a flood, water damage, if your house does have like a fire, burns down, typically we're going to put you up in a place, whether it's a rental home or a hotel, until the repairs have been taken care of. Now, personal liability, this is the huge thing, which I feel like with auto insurance, home, that most people really don't think. And it's funny because for me now, I don't really worry necessarily as much about when I'm driving, if I hit someone else, the damages to their car. I'm more worried about them, taking me to court and getting a personal injury attorney. So this is why it's very vital to have a good line of personal liability insurance. And you can always up those limits with an umbrella policy, which we could talk about in a later video. But extended replacement costs, typically, you can choose whether it's 10 to 50%, and basically what that is this $100,000 to replace the dwelling. 10% would be if it goes over on building it, if it costs $110,000. 50% if it would cost $150,000. So depending on when they do rebuild, if it costs more than the $100,000, that's the extended replacement cost. So that's basically it. Hope everyone has a wonderful day, and thank you so much.